True function is opposite to the false function. True function returns the logical value true. Type true in this cell. Press enter. Excel returns the logical value true in this cell. Click logical arrow button. Click true function. In function arguments dialog box, you can see this function has no arguments. Formula result also shows that true logical value. Click cancel. Active this cell. Type true in this cell. Press enter. Excel returns true logical value in this cell. You can enter true logical value in any cell. Active this cell. Type again 14. Press enter. Active this cell. Now I test true condition in formula. Enter equal sign. This is cell reference E7. Type E7. Enter equal sign. Type 14. When you press enter, formula will return logical value true in this cell. Because cell reference E7 has value of 14, press enter key. Formula returns logical value true in this cell. Now I test logical value on this cell. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. Enter equal sign. Type if function. Open bracket. Click this cell reference. Enter equal sign. Type 14. Enter comma. In value if true argument, type true logical value. Enter quote mark. Type true. Again enter quote mark. Enter comma. In value if false argument, type logical value false. Enter quote mark. Type false. Again enter quote mark. Close bracket. If this cell has value of 14, then function will return logical value true. Otherwise, it will return logical value false. Press enter. If function returns true because this cell has value 14,